Hello friends, welcome back. Previous session is about earlier computers, today's computers, what is a computer science, what does a good programming need, to whom it is recommended to learn programming. Today I am going to talk about what are programming paradigms, syntax and semantics, brief history of Python, why the name Python. What are programming paradigms? Programming paradigms are ways to classify programming languages based on their features. A language can be classified into multiple paradigms. In general, there are two programming paradigms: imperative and declarative. Imperative paradigm is about how to accomplish something. For example, steps involved in finding prime numbers in between 0 to 100. Its subcategories are procedural programming, object-oriented programming, etc. Declarative paradigm is based on statements of fact. For example, 2 multiply 3 equals 6. Its subcategories are functional programming, logical programming, mathematical programming, etc. Syntax and semantics. Syntax is the set of rules that defines which sequence of characters and symbols constitute a well-formed string. On the other hand, semantics deal with which well-formed strings have a meaning and what that meaning is. Just consider a simple English rule, that is noun, verb, noun. Let's make a sentence with it. Richard is boy. This sentence is both syntactically and semantically correct. One more example. Ram is water. This sentence follows the syntax rule, that is noun, verb, noun. But semantically there is an error because it does not have any meaning. Brief history of Python. Python is a general purpose, high level and interpreted programming language. Python was conceived in the late 80s by Guido van Rossum at Centrum Wiskunde and Informatica in Netherlands. Its development started in December 1989 and released as open source on 20th February 1991. Python 2.0 was released in 2000 and 3.0 was released in 2008. Python 3.0 is not completely backward compatible. That means programs developed in Python 2.0 may or may not run on Python 3.0. Why the name Python? Well, I found it a bit interesting, so I wanted to share. From 1969 to 1974, there was a popular TV show called Monty Python's Flying Circus on BBC. Due to the popularity of the show, Guido decided to name the language as Python. Thanks for watching. Now, before you leave, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. Cheers.